maitu mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ya ũheani wa motungata ma thimũ ya Safaricom Peter Ndegwa nĩ areganĩte na riboti cia atĩ kambuni ĩno nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩkĩheana ndũmĩrĩri cia thiri cia andũ kũrĩ thirikari. Ndegwa oho nĩ ateteire itũmi cia ũkinyanĩria wa internet kũhagũka, akiuga to kambuni ya Safaricom ĩrarĩ na thĩna ũyũ, ĩndĩ nĩ kambuni ciothe iria iheanaga motungata maya.
I want to acknowledge and appreciate those who exercised their civic right to participate in peaceful protests. Your actions and your courage speak highly of our democracy. Now, turning on to some of the recent issues and developments which have been raised with us and with me. The first is, I want to start by sincerely apologizing for our network outage that started on the 25th of June. This network outage was occasioned or caused by reduced bandwidth on some of the cables that carry our internet traffic. Please note that this did not only affect Safaricom, but also affected the whole industry. We are doing everything to ensure that we give you the service that you deserve, and also we bring back service as soon as possible. Safaricom is known as a Kenyan company, has Kenyan roots, and serves all Kenyans without discrimination, and will continue to do so now and in the future. Now, turning on to the topic of the Finance Bill 2024, I wanted it to be on record that Safaricom, like many corporates and also the broader industry, presented its views to the government and also to Parliament as part of the public participation process. And our views and presentations are well documented and recorded. Now, turning on to recent social media comments that Safaricom discloses information about customers or their location. I want to be very emphatic that Safaricom does not disclose customer information or their location. We adhere to the laws of the land in terms of data privacy, and we have done so in the past and will continue to do so now and also in the future.